In traditional legacy automotive, it's very much a relay race through silos, right? Somebody does their bit and then they hand it off to the next person. Now it's more of a basketball court, if you will. Everybody's got their place, they've got their skill set, but they're all on the court at the same time, waiting to catch the ball and pivot and do what they need to do. And that's a huge mindset shift. How do you change that?
Well, there's a couple what I call immersion or experiential things that we do. You might have heard before about these bus tours that I've created.
I have.
And my very first one was in 1991. And again, people roll their eyes. It's a bus tour. They think it's roll the red carpets, walk around the plant. It's really hard to explain what happens in a bus tour. But I'll try to give you a couple examples. And why I use that is it's not one bus tour. It's the multiple effect, which then creates the culture change. So on a bus, we will go to 4 different plants, 3 to 4 different plants over the course of the week, okay? Starts at 5:30 in the morning, goes till 10:30 at night. On the bus, we have 50 plus people from all different levels, all the way through UAW is on the bus, to lean, quality, HR, finance. So they're different people. You then are assigned a smaller team, a sub-team within the bus. There's 7 people. And again, it's set up so people have different viewpoints. So again, a lean person looks at the same question I might put in that an HR person reads, and they see it from a different lens and they assume something different. And then a quality person reads the same question. So what happens is these small teams are there for the week, and we go plant to plant, and we go through our Ford production system, the 10 elements. Each one of the plants, they do 2 of those questions. And what I found out was when I came to Ford, and Ford production system was well known, where everybody talks about it. But when I asked people, tell me about the Ford production system, it really didn't resonate. There was 360 some questions in the Ford production system. And so it was more of a talk than a truly implement. So we simplified it to 10 elements, 5 questions each for helping to give, it's kind of like a plant manager's guide to how to run a plant. And we immerse people in the experience on the bus tours. And then on the bus tours, we're assessing, so we're learning at the same time. The plants are learning because they're getting it. We're creating an internal network of people from all around the world. So what happens is, again, it's additive over time. Multiple bus tours, you create this network of talent. And again, it goes from all levels. So we make sure, like the Ford College graduate program, I have people on there every single bus. So they are getting that experience very early in their career and can interact with people all the way up to officer level.
So you're making it real. It's not a PowerPoint. It's not a poster on a board. You're making it real. And what I hear, Bryce, is that you're making it relatable, because everybody's going to read that PowerPoint and have a different understanding, like you say, a different perspective. So what you're doing is making it a reality. And I love that. How long have you been doing the bus tours?
So I created it in 1991, but I didn't really start going heavy until at TRW in the mid-2000s. And since then, I actually just did my 51st week on a bus. So my next one will be the 52. 1 full year of my life has been in a bus with 50 plus people. And it's been in Malaysia, China, almost every country in Europe, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, every place. So it's been all around the world. And it's kind of fun because every bus tour, we make a pin different for that one. And you almost become like an alumni of that bus tour. And you can see people still to this day from 15 years ago tell me about the experience they had on the bus tour. So it's fun.